V5008 AIoT Gateway and U-level Module Instructions. Unboxing. Open the packaging. Remove the product. Connecting the U-rack modules. Locate the U-level master module with the socket at the top, the other 6 are U-level slave modules. Assemble the U-level modules in sequence according to the indicated order. Tips for separating U-level modules. Gently shake the connection point of the U-level modules and apply moderate force to separate the modules. Inspect the connection to ensure it is correct. Installing the U-level modules. Inspect the cabinet and ensure that the position of the U-level module is no more than 30 cm from the server tag placement. Clean the surface of the planned installation location. Peel off the adhesive backing of the U-level module. Align the U-level module scale with the cabinet U-level scale. Press firmly to secure the module. Connect the SATA data cable to the U-level master module. Installing the extension module. Connect the SATA interface of the U-level master module to the V5 module interface of the extension module. Use a network cable to connect the RS485 interface of the extension module. Attach the extension module, ensuring that the SATA data cable is long enough to connect the U-level module and the gateway. Installing the AIoT gateway. Use a network cable to connect the RS485 interface of the extension module to the U-level interface of the V5008 AIoT gateway. Peel off the adhesive backing of the AIoT gateway and secure the gateway at the planned location. Organize and secure all connection cables.